Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Mars. So in previous video we have started our mensuration lesson of class 8 NCERT syllabus. So in that video we have studied the basic concept regarding mensuration and we have started your exercise 11.1. In that we have solved two exercise questions. Today without wasting the time, let us move to the next question, that is question number 3. As I have told you, main important thing is understanding the question perfectly. Then solving it is very easier. Okay, let us read the question carefully. The shape of a garden is rectangular in the middle and semicircular at the ends. देखो बेटा, समझो क्वेश्चन को. There is a garden. एक गार्डन है जो दो शेप में है. ओके, द शेप ऑफ द गार्डन इज टू शेप्स. इट इज हैविंग टू शेप्स. ओके, मिडल पार्ट ऑफ द गार्डन इज रेक्टेंगल. कैन यू सी इन द फिगर? दिस इज रेक्टेंगल, मिडल पोर्शन, दिस वन. This is rectangle. And in the ends, it is semicircle. What do you mean by semicircle? It is half of the circle. Yes, this is the diameter of the circle which makes circle into two equal parts. That is semicircle. So how many semicircles are here? Two semicircles are there. It makes one whole circle. This thing you have to keep it in mind. Here one complete circle is there and one rectangle is there. Okay, let us solve this. So what we have to find actually here? We have to find the area and the perimeter. Area means this region, this complete region we want, and perimeter means this boundary we want. Okay, let us start. Write what is given to you, that things you write. Given complete length is given. This is 20 meter what they have given here. No, this is not actually the length of this rectangle. Length of rectangle is what? It should be from here to here. That we don't know. This thing they have given, look at the arrow mark. This is actually complete. It is from here, complete, from this tip to this. This is 20 meter. Okay, we want actually length and breadth of the rectangle to find the area of rectangle. Okay, how to find the complete area of this garden now? Tell me first. Yes, you have to find the area of rectangle plus the area of two sides. क्या बड़ी बात है ना? Easy it is. Yeah. Okay, let us see. तो गिवन जो भी दिया गया है आपको, उसको आपको नोट डाउन करना है. गिवन, व्हाट इज गिवन बेटा? यस, गिवन इज कंप्लीट लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन. जो कि आपको लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन दिया गया है. लेंथ, ओके, लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन इज 20 मीटर. यू कंप्लीट द स्टेटमेंट, डोंट राइट लाइक दिस. ओके, ओके. देन लेंथ ऑफ द गार्डन इज 20 meter. Then what is required? This one. What is given this? This is actually, see, if we will take the circle, this is the line. What it represents? This represents the diameter. So D is given to you. Diameter of the semicircle. Diameter of the semicircle is equal to 7 meter. If diameter is 7, then what about your radius? It is d by 2. Yes, d by 2 is your radius. Radius is equal to d by 2. What is your d value? Which is 7 by 2 is equal to 2 1s are 2 3s are 6, 1 remaining, 2 5s are 10. Okay, 3.5. I hope simplification you know. Okay, 3.5 meter is the radius of the semicircle. Why do we want the radius? Yes, this part is actually what it is, radius, and this part what it is, again radius of the semicircle. देखो A वाला part यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this is one arc, and यहाँ से यहाँ तक, this is another arc. It makes what? It makes completely D, which is given to you. I hope this is clear. Okay. Now we want the length of the rectangle. We want the area of rectangle, right? To area of the rectangle, what is required? Length and breadth of the rectangle is required. Breadth is given here. Diameter of the semicircle, it is a breadth of the rectangle. Same it is. Okay. So breadth is already given. If you want, write here breadth of the rectangle, which is also diameter of the semicircle 7 meter. Okay, clear. Now we want the length of the rectangle. हमें क्या चाहिए? Rectangle का length चाहिए. Okay. This length from here to here we want. Okay, complete is 20. We want this one. What to do? This portion you have to subtract, and this portion you have to subtract, so that you will get this portion. तो A portion कितना है बेटा? It is the radius of semicircle 3.5, and this part is also the radius of semicircle 3.5. Out of 20, you have to subtract this 3.5 and this 3.5. You will get the answer. Let us solve. Complete length 20 meter minus the radius of this, which is 3.5, minus the radius of this, which is 3.5, minus 3.5 minus 3.5, it is minus 7. 20 minus 7 is 13. So 13 meter is your length of the rectangle. So this question mark we solved now. This is 13 meter. I hope this is clear. Now easily we can find the area of the rectangle. Find area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. What is the value of your length? The length is 13 meter. 13 meter into what is your breadth, which is 7 meter. So 13 into 7 is equal to 91 meter square. This is the area of rectangle. Okay, we got the area of this now. We solved it. Now what do we want? Area of this semicircle, area of this semicircle, so that easily we can find the area of complete garden. Okay. So area of rectangle, we got it now. Okay. Now we'll be finding area of two semicircles. Area of two semicircles. What is the area of circle? Yes, area of circle formula is pi r square. I will write here, look at here. Pi r square is the area of complete circle. But here, how many? Here semicircles are there. Semi means half, 1 by 2. This is the area of one semicircle now. Half into pi r square is the area of this. But how many semicircles are there? 2 semicircles are there. So it becomes 2 into 1 by 2 into pi r square. Or if you want to consider these two half as a complete circle, in imagination, then you can directly take area of the circle is pi r square. But I will write like this to understand it in better way. Okay. If you want, you can write directly pi r square. You have understood now how it came. Okay. So 2 semicircles are there. Semi means half into pi r square. This becomes your formula. Substitute the value now. 2 into 1 by 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r square is 3.5 into 3.5. So r square can be written as r into r. This thing you know. Yes? Okay. Now simplify this. You have to simplify. Okay. Cancel simplification. 3.5 1 za, 3.5 2 za. Okay. 3.5 plus 3.5 is 7. Okay. 3.5 1 za, 2 za. These 2 already get cancels. Okay. Then these 2 1 za and 2 11 za. 11 into 3.5 you have to do now. So we'll do here equal to, directly I will put this one equal to sign that side. So what is remaining here? 11 into 3.5, which is 11 into 3.5. So multiply this, you will get the answer. What do you get the answer? 38.5 meters square. 38.5 meter square. This is the area of these things. Okay. Now you want complete area of the garden. Therefore, area of garden is equal to area of rectangle plus area of semicircle. Write down what is the area of rectangle here. It is 91 plus what is the area of two semicircles? It is 38.5. So 91 plus 38 is 129.5 meter square. This is the complete area of your garden. Now one more thing we need to find here. What is that? Yeah, that is perimeter. बहुत लंबा लग रहा है क्या क्वेश्चन? नहीं, बहुत इजी है. जब मैं एक्सप्लेन कर रही हूँ तब ये वाला क्वेश्चन आपको बहुत लेंदी लगने लगेगा, बट वंस यू विल बी अंडरस्टैंड दिस क्वेश्चन तो आप ऐसे चुटकियों में इसको सॉल्व कर दोगे, है ना. लेट अस सी पेरीमीटर को फाइंड आउट कर. पेरीमीटर क्या होता है बेटा? दिस साइड प्लस दिस साइड. यू नो ऑलरेडी दिस साइड इज 13, दिस साइड इज 13 and this curved line you want. Curved lines of a circle is known as circumference of a circle. Yes, perimeter of circle is also known as circumference of a circle. Yes. So what is the formula for circumference of the circle? It is 2 pi r. But here half is there, no? Half becomes 1. So we can take it as 2 pi r. Yes, we can directly take 2 pi r. Circumference or perimeter of circle, 2 semicircle is equal to 2 pi r, or you can write here 2 into 2 times, okay, pi means 22 by 7 and r means radius and semi means half. You need to add here. Yes, do it yourself and tell me the answer quickly. Yes, हो गया. 2 pi r को पता कर लिया आप लोगों ने, जल्दी से बताना है आपको. ओके, जिन लोगों ने कर लिया है फाइन, अदरवाइज लुक इट हियर. 22 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is again how much? 3.5. 3.5 ones are 3.5 twos are 2 ones are 2 ones are. Remaining is here 22 meter. तो ये हो गया आपका perimeter of the rectangle. Sorry, semicircles. Very good. Now you have to find the complete length of the garden. Easy. Therefore, complete perimeter of the garden is equal to perimeter of the semicircle, which is 22, plus this side length, which is 13, plus this side length, which is also 13. So 22 plus 13 plus 13, it is equal to 48 meter. This is your answer. I hope this is clear. So the question was finding the area and the perimeter. So the area of the garden is the area of rectangle plus the area of semicircle, which is 129.5 meters square, and the perimeter of the garden you have to find, that is perimeter of the semicircle plus the length of rectangle, which is 22 plus 13 plus 13, it is 48 meter. Note down. Now this is your fourth question. A flooring tile has the shape of a parallelogram. Parallelogram means what? This is also 2D figure. Okay. In this, see, wherever any diagram is not given in the question, you have to draw it yourself. Why? Because when you will frame or when you will take one diagram, then any question can be easier to solve. Okay? अगर जहाँ पे आपको कोई डायग्राम नहीं दिया गया है तो आप अपना खुद का रफ स्केच बना लीजिएगा. ठीक है ना? चलो पैरेललोग्राम को हम ड्रॉ करते हैं, लेकिन बेसिक नॉलेज होना बहुत जरूरी है. यू शुड नो व्हाट इज पैरेललोग्राम. इट इज अ quadrilateral 4 sides shape. Quadrilateral means 4 sides in which opposite sides are parallel, not equal, parallel to each other. Opposite sides क्या होते हैं? Parallel and equal to each other. Okay? Parallel होते हैं opposite sides. समझ में आ गया ना बेटा? तो एक क्वाड्रिलैटरल हम यहाँ पे ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं लाइक दिस. ये तो रफ स्केच है आपके लिए. ठीक है? ए है तो ए साइड पैरेलल समझते हो आप लोग. जो ऐसे दिखता है वो होता है पैरेलल. ऑपोजिट साइड्स आर पैरेलल इन दिस. ओके, तो ये हो गया आपका पैरेललोग्राम. तो क्या दिया गया उन्होंने? 24 इसका बेस है. बेस मतलब ए वाला हिस्सा, ए वाला पोर्शन, विच इज 24 सेंटीमीटर. एंड इट्स करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट, जो इसको अल्टीट्यूड बोलते हैं ना, ये हाइट होता है. एक्चुअली अल्टीट्यूड इज इक्वल टू करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट होता है उसका. आइदर यू कैन टेक लाइक दिस. दिस इज हाइट विच इज 10 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, और यही होता है करस्पॉन्डिंग हाइट भी 10 सेंटीमीटर होता है. क्लियर? नाउ वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया. सॉरी, एरिया इज गिवन. इसका कंप्लीट एरिया भी आपको दिया गया, विच इज 1080 मीटर स्क्वायर. सी वन मोर थिंग यू सी हियर, आई विल टेल यू. ओके, जो गिवन है उसको लिख लो पहले. गिवन क्या दिया गया है? सो द बेस इज गिवन is equal to 24 centimeter and its height is given, corresponding height is given, which is 10 centimeter, and complete area is given, which is 1080 meter square. मीटर स्क्वायर. ओके, ये हो गया आपका. सेंटीमीटर होना चाहिए था यहाँ पे. सेंटीमीटर या मीटर होगा शायद. यहाँ पे मीटर होगा. 24 नहीं, दिस इज सेंटीमीटर. करेक्ट इट इज. ओके, दिस इज करेक्ट. 24 सेंटीमीटर, 10 सेंटीमीटर एंड दिस इज मीटर. करेक्ट. तो आपको एक बात को जान लेना चाहिए. while solving any question, your all units should be same. But in this question, look at here. This is centimeter, this is centimeter, and this is meter. Can we able to solve this? No. What we have to do? We have to convert and we have to make all units as the same. For example, centimeter can we convert in meter? Yes, of course. What to do? Divided by 100 or multiplied by 100. What to do? Yes, divided by 100 you have to do. So 24 centimeter can be written as how much? Yes, 100 or 1000? क्या करना चाहिए बताना पड़ेगा ना आप लोगों को। जब तक आपको बेसिक नॉलेज नहीं समझ में आता है तब तक कोई भी क्वेश्चन को आप आगे नहीं बढ़ा सकते। 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी सेंटीमीटर्स, बताइए अभी मुझे। 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर, माई क्वेश्चन इज 1 मीटर इज इक्वल टू डैश सेंटीमीटर। यस, क्विकली यू हैव टू से। यस, 100 सेंटीमीटर इज इक्वल टू 1 मीटर। वेरी गुड। तो इन सब चीजों के बारे में यू शुड नो फर्स्ट। तो यू हैव टू कन्वर्ट दिस 24 सेंटीमीटर कैन बी रिटन एज 0.24 meter and 10 centimeter can be 0.10 meter. Now all are in same form? Yes. Now we can solve the question easily. You know how it has been converted, right? 24 divided by 100 is equal to, so after 2 digit you have to put the decimal, so which is 0.24. I hope this thing you know already. Okay, now we have to find the area of one tile. One tile we want. Area of complete floor they have given. Okay, एक रूम है जहाँ पे एक फ्लोर है जिसका एरिया 1080 मीटर स्क्वायर है एंड यू सॉ द टाइल्स, छोटे छोटे टाइल्स होते हैं, उन टाइल्स को हमें वहां पे फिक्स करना है। तो हमें बताना है कि 1080 मीटर स्क्वायर वाले कमरे में कितने टाइल्स जरूरी है फ्लोरिंग के लिए। ओके, तो हमें क्या पता करना है पहले? वी हैव टू फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ वन टाइल, देन वी कैन डिवाइड द एरिया ऑफ रूम divided by area of one tile. You will get the number of tiles. Okay, now see area. This is one tile. Now area of one tile, area of tile which is in the form, which shape it is, parallelogram. So length into or base into height you have to consider here, or base into altitude. Altitude means corresponding height. Base into corresponding height, height जो कि दोनों दिया गया है। बेस इज योर 24 सेंटीमीटर, वी हैव कन्वर्टेड इट इनटू मीटर, दैट इज 0.24 इनटू corresponding height is 0.10, yes, meter. Now you multiply all this together, so you will get the answer 0.024 meters. Okay, meter square. 0.024 meter square is the multiplication of this one. 24 ones are 24. Okay, so this 0 will be negligible, you know that in multiplication. So 1 2 3, after 3 digit decimal point, 1 2 3 decimal point, it is 0.24 meter square is the area of one tile. Now you have to find number of tiles required. Number of tiles, can you see? Yeah, number of tiles required is equal to area of floor divided by area of, yes, tell me, area of one tile, area of one tile. So you can substitute the value in the formula. This question is very easiest question in this example, in this exercise actually. Easily you can solve this, nothing is there in this. Okay, directly they have given the value, we have to write the formula and we have to substitute it, that's it. Area of the floor is how much they have given? 1080 divided by area of one tile is 0.024. तो आपको इसको सिंप्लीफिकेशन करने में डिफिकल्टी हो सकती है ना? then you know how to convert the decimal point into factors. Yes, you know how to write in the power of 10 this one. Yes, no? So directly we can write it as, तो इसको after 3 decimal, okay, before 3 decimal point is there, if we will write 24, तो कितने decimal को हमने हटा दिया यहाँ पे 3, so we can write it as 10 to the power of minus 3. Okay, why? Because decimal is behind the number. If decimal is after the number, it becomes plus 3. 10 to the power of plus 3. 3 means 3 digits decimal we have removed. So 3. Okay, it can be written as 1080. We will take 10 to the power. You have studied this. A raised to minus m can be in exponents and powers. You have studied this. A raised to minus m can be written as 1 by a raised to m, and 1 by a raised to minus m can be written as a raised to m. In exponents and powers you have studied. Now this is 1 by 10 raised to minus 3 can be written as 10 raised to plus 3. Yes. So it is into 10 to the power of 3 divided by 24. तो हो गया आपका 2 1 जा 2 2 जा 2 5 जा 10 2 4 जा 8 2 6 जा 12 2 2 जा 4 2 7 जा. ओके, देन आ गया आपका, अगेन यू कैन कैंसल. 3 से आप ले सकते हो, इजी जो नंबर आपको है उससे ले सकते हो. 3 2 जा 6, so 3 7 230 270 हो गया ना. ओके, 2 3 जा 6, 2 से ही ले सकते हैं हम लोग यहाँ पे. 2 3 जा 6, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 2 5 जा 10, 135 अपॉन 3 हो गया. 3 1 जा 3, 45 जा. ओके, तो रह गया आपका 45. डायरेक्टली भी आप लोग कर सकते हो बड़ा वाला नंबर लेते हुए. मैंने यहाँ पे आपको सिंप्लीफाइड वे में बताया है ताकि आपको समझ में आ जाए. ठीक है ना. 45 इंटू 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 3 हो गया आपका. 10 टू द पावर ऑफ 3 का मतलब होता है 45 इंटू 3 टाइम्स 0 विच इज 1000. सो 45 इंटू 1000 इज 45,000 टाइल्स रिक्वायर्ड. तो उस रूम में कितने टाइल्स की जरूरत है? हाउ मेनी टाइल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड? यस, 45,000 टाइल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड. तो अब ये इस टाइप के क्वेश्चंस आपको आ रहे हैं, मतलब यू कैन इजीली फाइंड द कैलकुलेट द एरिया ऑफ योर रूम एंड यू कैन फाइंड कि हाउ मेनी टाइल्स आर रिक्वायर्ड, है ना. इजीली आप अपने घर का स्ट्रक्चर लगा सकते हो क्योंकि आपको ये सब आ रहा है अभी, है ना. सो दिस इज योर 4th क्वेश्चन एंड लास्ट वन मोर क्वेश्चन इज रिमेनिंग. तो वो आपके लिए, चलो आप सॉल्व करो और बताना मुझे नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. एक्चुअली नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन भी बहुत ही इजी है. 2 टाइप ऑफ फिगर उन्होंने जोड़ दिया है और उसको आप लोगों को फाइंड आउट करना है. जैसे हमने अभी 3rd वाले क्वेश्चन में किया था, गार्डन वाले क्वेश्चन में जिसमें रेक्टेंगल भी था, सेमी सर्कल भी था, सेम टाइप है आपका 5th क्वेश्चन. आप ट्राई कीजिएगा. If you can't able to solve your 5th question, please comment me. I will record the video on your 5th question as well. Okay, thank you. Bye bye. Stay connected with me and subscribe my channel. Bye.